Hello everyone, como é? I'm Jasmine. Thank you so much for coming to my channel today. Really quick, I want to apologize if you hear some noises in the background. They are doing renovations in the entire building. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know what's up. By the way, if you aren't following me on Instagram, I'm doing this plant-based snacks recipe with Shane and Moore, also on YouTube. She's on the West Coast, I'm on the East Coast. We're combining forces and creating dope content for you guys, okay? So definitely check her out after you've seen this video. I'm going to be showing you some do-it-yourself at-home snacks. I know a lot of you guys wanted to see something like this, so I am bringing it to you right now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, let me know the types of videos you want to see, whether it be what I eat in a days, dinner ideas, snack ideas, breakfast ideas, you get what I'm saying. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I focus mainly on vegan and cruelty-free beauty, skincare, lifestyle, food, travel, and everything and anything in between. So definitely join the fam. Join the fam. Without further ado, let's get into it. First thing on the menu is some trail mix. These are the ingredients you're gonna need. I'll be sure to list everything in the bottom bar below. So I got some dried cherries, some hazelnuts, some walnuts, and some prunes. First, I'm gonna be just coating the walnuts with a little bit of maple syrup. I'm not a fan of eating raw walnuts, but I do love when I put a little bit of maple syrup, a little bit of salt, and pop them in the oven for about 5 minutes. And I'll be putting it in the oven at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. Now, in the same bowl, I'm just tossing in all the other ingredients, the hazelnuts, dried up cherries, prunes, and once the walnuts are done, I add that into the mix as well. And I just mix it all up. And there you have it. It's pretty simple. And I like to put some in a small container and take it with me to work or school. Next up are chickpea snacks. So here are the ingredients, pretty simple, right? Some chickpeas, some cayenne pepper, some onion powder, some grapeseed oil, and I add salt, even though you don't see salt there. So I just put all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl. So I put the chickpeas, the grapeseed oil, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and I add a little bit of salt and mix it all up. So all of your chickpeas should be coated. I'm going to be putting it in a non-stick pan, but I'm also putting parchment paper underneath because that helps to sop up the oil or the majority of the oil and make it a bit more crispy, like how I like it. And I also make sure to spread them all out too. I also put those in the oven for about 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I check periodically. So these chickpea snacks are great. You can eat them by themselves, or you can even sprinkle it onto your salads to act as croutons. Last but not least, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY hazelnut butter. These are the ingredients you're gonna need. Hazelnuts, cinnamon, a little bit of maple syrup, and a little bit of salt to balance out the flavors. I'm going to be putting all of my hazelnuts into my food processor, and I'll basically be blending that away. So after about 7 minutes, the hazelnuts get really creamy. Now there's an option to put the hazelnuts in the oven first, but being that I bought roasted hazelnuts, I don't need to do that because it already has that roasted flavor to it. You know, I also check it periodically. I mix it around a bit as well, just to make sure it doesn't get stuck to the sides. And then I add my maple syrup, cinnamon, as well as a little bit of salt to balance out the flavors. There are times when my hazelnut butter comes out really thick for some reason. I gotta figure out what I'm doing wrong. But yeah, it's cool though, you know, it's still edible, so. And there you have it. This is some really tasty hazelnut butter. You can serve it with crackers. You can serve it with bananas. It's super yummy. I love having it on some light rye crackers from the Wassa brand. The only ingredients in the Wassa crackers is rye and I think salt or something. But yeah, really simple ingredients, really healthy, really tasty. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you try these snacks out. Let me know what you think. Bon appetit! Alright, that's all for this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That way I know these are the types of videos you want to see. Comment down below and let me know which one of these snacks were your favorite. Share this video with anyone who is looking to make some snacks at home but don't know where to start. Alright? Also subscribe because I make videos all the time. Cool? Cool. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one.